night show for today, guys. So, okay, so nandito kami. Wala pang masyadong maraming tao, guys. Yan. Ang agaga namin dito ngayon. Sa ngayon. So, ito yung sa amin, C4 Corvette car. Yan, guys. Okay. So, the second one, yan, guys, Dallas Cowboy C4. So, dito kami ngayon sa night show. Yan. Itong daughter ko at saka si Nilo, boyfriend niya. Yan. Ito siya, guys. Camero, guys. Classic car. So, this is cute. See? It's cute car. I like the front, guys. Look the wheels. That's very nice. 1957 Corvette, guys. Classic cars, very cute. Corvette C4. Yan, I love the color. Guys. So, ito yung engine niya. Yan. Kita nyo, guys. So, ito yung lights. Yan. So, ito yung front. So, every Saturday na dito kami. Yan. Nagkitingin-tingin na lang kung anong maganda na magandang car. Different kind of car. Old car. Yan, classic car. Hi! Hi! Nice to meet you.
Dallas Cowboy fan.
Oh, yeah? Wow! Nice one. Yan ang Dallas. Daughter ko Dallas. Ayan ang sasakyan niya. Dallas Cowboy car.
It's really not ready. It's not ready. But they said it's old time.